Wow, is this thing sharp. Hey guys, new knife day. And no, this isn't it. This is my old zero tolerance 350, and it's been amazing. It has been. It's just been bloody amazing. I've had this in my pocket for probably 6 years now, and over those 6 years, this has been in my pocket 95% of the time. So I love this thing. I'm not changing it up for really any reason. I just want to mix it up a bit and try something actually a little bit lighter. This guy's a bit of a lump, and that's also what makes it so tough and rugged. I get it. I'm not comparing apples to apples here, but this thing has, again, been awesome. I did a review on this, and I'll leave that link in the comments below. But anyway, I'm just going to lighten up my load here with another knife. So here it is. This is obviously a Spyderco. This Spyderco is a Native 5 Light, and of course it's all in black, and it's a beauty little blade for sure. I've had other Spydercos. I actually still have one. I have a Dragonfly. I had the Chaparral carbon fiber. I should have kept that. That was awesome. I also had a Mannix knife. I probably should have kept that one too. When I got those knives, I had this around the same time, and I just love this guy. It was a little more rugged in my opinion. It's just that it's heavier as well. But I love the flipper action. It was so fast to pull out. I really like that about it. So I ended up selling those other two knives. I still have the Dragonfly though. But I just wanted to change stuff up a bit. This guy's quite the lump of a knife, and you know, it's designed to be rugged and lumpy. So that's the difference really here. Another big difference here between the two, this is a liner lock, and this has never failed me in normal use. If I'm whipping it around, which you know I shouldn't be, throwing it into logs or whatever, this does pop out sometimes and the knife folds. That would never be an issue with normal use. This guy is a lockback design. That's a huge difference. There's nothing stronger than a lockback design. You can hear that clicking in. This thing's never going to close up on you. Another nice thing about the lockback design knives is this guy is not going to open up in your pocket. There's always pressure on or tension on that, so it's not just going to open up on you. But with that lockback design, which makes it, you know, unbelievably strong as far as not closing on your finger, it also doesn't whip open like the other one. So I can do the Spyderco flick. I'm not a pro at it by any means, that's for sure. But that dragging on the knife back makes it a little bit slower than another, say, Spyderco design. So you can get it, I'm going to work on my speed here, you can get it to where you can get it out fairly quickly, but not the same as this guy here. So that's going to take some getting used to. This thing's really light. I'll put the specs around here in a minute. Way lighter than this guy, so it's not going to, this guy wants to kind of pull your pants down. This guy doesn't. Very light, and again, there's no frame to it, as you can see. This is the FRN handle, which I love. It's very grippy, and FRN is fiberglass reinforced nylon, so very strong, very light. And there you go, you can see the frame, and this is a liner lock. The steel on this is absolutely awesome. I love S30V. I've had it on a few knives and think it's great. So this is pretty cool. This Spyderco is made in Colorado. So this is made in the US. Some of the other Spydercos aren't. I love the look of this knife, and of course that's half of the fun. You gotta love it to carry it. And this thing to me is just a beautiful looking knife. Great knife design. I love the finger choil and the jimping up top here. It's very nice to hold, very ergonomic. It's just a gorgeous knife. Look at that thing. Anyway, that's a big part of it for me for sure. I gotta like what it looks like and like to carry it. So again, very beautiful looking knife in my opinion. Great design and sharp as heck. The only thing I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to change out this pocket clip. I'm going to go to a deep carry titanium aftermarket pocket clip, I think, just so it's in my pocket a little bit deeper. But very beautiful looking knife, sharp as heck. That Spyderco design is very cool. I'm going to give the Spyderco another shot here, and I'm going to carry this, and who knows, maybe this will be my next 6-year knife. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe it'll be a month and I'll stick this guy back in there, who knows. But so far I'm really digging this thing. It's very cool, very good looking, very sharp, and really light. Another thing that's going to take me some time to get used to is the lack of serrations on this guy. This has been awesome. I mean, I love this. It's just so wicked for cutting rope or cardboard or whatever. It just rips through everything. And I've never really had to sharpen it. And I've used it a ton, and again, over 6 years. So that's going to take some time to get used to. I don't have that on the new knife, but again, we'll see how it goes. So the Spidey Flick, it's called, is a way of opening a Spyderco knife with your middle finger, and it's hard to do with a lockback knife. There's different mechanisms that make it easier. This is definitely the hardest one. The lockback design really kind of holds that blade in place and doesn't want to let you flick it. But this is kind of what you got to do. There you go. So it's not easy to do. Again, I'm probably not going to master that. I don't have enough Band-Aids. I'm probably just going to open it with my thumb like that. I said it before and I'll say it again. If you're not bleeding, you're not having fun. And I'm having a lot of fun lately.